Namaskara, showing a prasadam made for Durga Puja, South Canara. It is called as Gudanna. Good Anna. Good is jaggery and Anna is rice. So the ingredients what we are going to use are jaggery, ghee, fried cropra, cardamom powder, honey, chopped banana, dried fruits fried, cooked rice. Now I have kept some water for boiling. I am going to add the cooked rice. Rice should be well cooked in your rice cooker, or you can even cook just in your kadai. It has to be very soft. I have cooked it in the pressure cooker. Now I am going to add the good. 1:3 measurement good. What prasadam do you all do for Navratri, for Durga Puja? I bet our India has culture and two wonderful prasadams for the god. And banana become a pulpy consistence. Done even in Kerala, but in a little different. Usually done only for Durga Puja, or we have another puja called Durga Namaskara Puja in Mangalore. Now it is semi-hard. So I am going to add the dry fruits. Add any dry fruits. I have put badam, cashew, raisins, walnuts, the dry coconut, little hard. Now the three main ingredients, special flavor. Now I am going to add the ghee. Honey gives a very special flavor. Sweet cardamom powder. Mix it well. That's it.